Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how the RSI does perform at different level, how you can trade with the help of the RSI. So let's get started. RSI is means the relative strength index. It is the indicator which shows how the shares how the stock perform, how is it overbought, is it oversold. For this 70 is an overbought area and 30 is an oversold area. Beside this, how you can trade a side trend, well, I showed it to you in the previous videos of mine, but in this video I'm going to specifically show you with how you can trade a side trend with the help of an RSI. So for this case, as you can see here, the RSI at this point reached its overbought area, and from that it starts to decline and came up to this point to an oversold, forming an oversold area of here. So this area you will have to use as an oversold area. Sorry, so this area you will have to, what point, 33 level, you have to use this as an oversold area. Whenever the prices reach at this level, you have to buy the stocks and sell it as it reaches somewhere here to 64 level. Like you can see that this is the 62 level, it's an overbought area, so you have to close your position at this level. You can see here that all of the prices in a side trend are trading in the same place, the 32 and 30 levels. So you have to which means above 30, they are the RSI is moving above the 30, the oversold area. So whenever the price is trade at that level, like this, in this case here, you have to trade in this area. Like you see here that the prices came here to the 35 level, which you can see here, it's in 35 level, and you can see here this is the low of here, so you have to buy this share right here and sell it whenever it reaches the 62 level, and this, like whatever in your case it may be. So this is the method of trading a side trend by with the help of an RSI. Like it is not necessary for you to use the 70 and 30 as an oversold and as an overbought and oversold areas. Whatever it forms in these between these 70 and 30, you can use those as well for profitable trading, for better results. Sorry, the same the same is the case here with this one. You can also use it for this one as well, for as overboughts and oversold areas. Beside this, I will be showing to you other indicators as well on how to you can trade stocks for better results. I showed to you in the previous videos of mine on how you can trade a side trend successfully, so I'm not going to be showing you that again. You can check my videos and on how to trade a side trend successfully, and click on those and watch that till the end, so you can know how I trade side trend successfully. With the help of this one, uh, add you can add this one as well to your side trading, so you can profit from it, as from you can have consistent profit from it. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.